Good morning students. In our previous video we have discussed the subtraction of fraction, and on the behalf of this topic we have solved some question from exercise 5.7. We have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today we are going to discuss the rest question of this exercise. So let's start. The question number 5. In question number 5 they have given, first I am taking a reading of this question. Balaji had rupees 15 7 by 10 rupees in his pocket. When he went to the market, he spent some money in purchasing stationery item. And after purchasing the stationery item, he had only rupees 1 by 2 left when he returned. So how much money Balaji spent in market for stationery item? So let's see. First of all, because this is a word problem, so we have to solve this question by writing their statement. So let's first write the statement. So total money Balaji have. I am not writing the question here, students. I am directly solve this one. I am going to solve. Balaji had total money that is rupees 15 7 by 10. Money left that is rupees 1 by 2, and then after we have to find out money spent on stationery item. That means the total money minus 1 by 2. Now students, as we observe, this question becomes simple subtraction question of fraction. So after this all the steps will remain same. First convert in improper fraction, then after take LCM, and then after subtraction. So first of all we are going to convert in improper fraction. 15 10 ja 150, 150 plus 7, 157 by 10, and 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. If we take the LCM of this one, then we get the LCM 10. So 157 will remain as it is, 157. 2 5 ja 10. So 5 3 ja 15. And student, if we subtract 157 and 15, 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Then 1. Student, is it possible to cancel? Yes. Is it possible to cancel by 2? 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. That's mean 71 by 5. If we convert this one 71 by 5 in mixed fraction, then we get rupees 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 1 by 5. So how much money Balaji spent on stationery item? That is rupees 14, 1 by 5. Okay students, what we did this one, from the total money we subtract the left one. From the total money we subtract the left one, and then we get the answer money spent by Balaji in market. Okay students. Now then after move to the next question. In next question they have given Nafisa goes to her school. So this question I am going to explain with the help of a flow chart. Nafisa is a girl and she is going to her school. So they have given the distance from home to school, and after school she want to go her friend's house. That's name is Sujata. But that time Sujata was not at home and she was at Mary's house. Okay. So students, the distance from home to school, that is 3 by 5 kilometer. Okay. And thereafter distance school to Sujata's house, that is 3 by 8 kilometer. And at the end distance from Sujata's to Mary's house, that is 1 by 2 kilometer. Now this distance they have given, and now they are asking students in this question, what is the distance from home to Mary's house? means how much distance covered by Nafisa to reach home to Mary's house. So to find this one total, we add all the distance. Okay, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Okay, here 3 by 8, and 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now it becomes the simple question. Take the LCM. If we take LCM of 5, 8 and 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 5 4 ja 20, 22 ja 40. So LCM is 40. Write LCM as a common denominator. Okay students. After this one, 5 8 ja 40. Okay students. If we subtract this one, we get from here 5 8 ja 40. And if you multiply 5 8 ja 40, then 13 8 ja 104. Then after 8 5 ja 40, 5 3 ja 15. Then 2 20, 23 ja 60. Now we have the number 104, 15 and 60. When we add this one together, we get 179 by 40. You can check this one. 104 plus 15, 119 plus 60, 179. Now convert this one in mixed fraction. 4 4 ja 16, then remainder 19 by 40 kilometer. So how much distance Nafisa covered from home to Mary's house? That is 419 by 40 kilometer. Might be understood students. Now let's move to the next question after that one. Okay. Now after that, question number 7. In question number 7, they have given Simone has 2 pieces of clothes. Okay. In question number 7, length of 2 pieces. They have given 6 1 by 4 and 5 2 by 5. This is the length of 2 pieces. And out of these 2 pieces, that Simone used 8 1 by 6 meter to stitch a shirt. So here we will write cloth used in shirt. That is 8 1 by 6. And the rest cloth, whatever the cloth remaining from here, Simone used to make a table cover. So students, we have to find out that how much cloth remain for the table cover. So how to solve this question? So first of all, we find out the addition of these 2, and from the sum of these 2, we subtract the third one. Okay, so let's see how. First of all, I am going to write in the form of simplify. 6 1 by 4 plus 5 2 by 5, then minus 8 1 by 6. Okay students, now we have written this one. Convert, these are mixed fraction, and mixed fraction convert in improper. So when we convert this mixed fraction in improper, 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 25 by 4. 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 2, 27 by 5, minus 8 6 is 48, 48 plus 1, 49, 49 by 6. So when we convert this number into improper fraction, we get 25 by 4, 27 by 5 and 49 by 6. So now the second step, take LCM. LCM of 4, 5 and 6. 2 2 ja 4, 5, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 32 ja 60. From here students, we get LCM 60. Okay, if 60 divided by 4, we get answer 12. And when 12 multiply by 25. Okay, when 12 multiply by 25, then we get here 375. So 375. Okay, plus 60 divide by 5. When 60 divide by 5, we get 12. And 27 multiplied by 12, that's mean 324 minus 6 10 ja, the 49 10 ja, 490. Okay, student. From here we get 375, 324 and 490. Now, then after, first take the addition of these two. 375 plus 324. That's mean 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 2, 9 and 3 plus 3, 6. Then subtract 490. If we subtract this one, we get from here 209 by 60. Okay, students, what we get? 209 by 60. Convert this one in mixed fraction. 60 3s are 180. Remainder 16 3s are 180. Remainder 29 by 60. Now, student, how much clothes remain for the table? That is, here we will write cloth remains for table cover is 329 by 60 meter. Okay, student. So, how we did this question? First of all, add these two pieces of the clothes, whatever they have given. After adding this one, the addition of these two, we have to subtract the cloth used for the shirt. And then I written this one together only because if we write separate, those take more time for the calculation. So, first this two and then minus cloth used for the shirt. Convert in improper fraction, take the LCM. According to the LCM, convert numerator, and then after, first add this two and then subtract the third one, and we get the answer 209 by 60. That's mean 329 by 60 meter remain for table cloth. So this is our question number 7. Okay, students. Now then after, we are going to discuss question number 8. Okay, now in question number 8, they have given, you have to find the difference, add the difference of 117 by 24 and 13 by 8 to 5 by 12. So, let's see this question. Question number 8, difference of 17 by 24 and 13 by 8. Add to 5 by 12. This is our question. Okay, the difference of these two, and we have to add this third. So first of all, open the bracket. 24 1 24 and 24 plus 17, 41 by 24. 8 1 8, 9 10 11. Okay, and then plus 5 by 12. If we take LCM from here, student, we get the LCM 24. 24 1 24, then 41 1 41. Then after 8 3s are 24, 11 3s are 33. Then after 12 2s are 24 and 5 2s are 10. So students, observe this one. 41 minus 33. Okay, 41 minus 33. We get from here 8 and 8 plus 10, 18. 18 by 24. Student, we observe 18 and 24 both are multiple of 6. So here we can use the table 6 to divide this one. 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So what the final answer? That is 3 by 4. We get from here the answer 3 by 4. I repeat again. In this question, they have given that from the difference of these two, you have to add 5 by 12. So same, first convert in improper fraction, take LCM and then after solve. Now friends, today we have discussed till question number 8, and for today this much only, and all these questions you have to do in your math register. Thank you, students.